Sup riders, it's Kevin with Two Wheels Down. We just got a new bike in, so you know what that means. Or actually you probably don't, since we've never done it before. But that means it's B-roll time, roll it. Hi, okay, so that's the 2014 Triumph Street Triple R. It's less than 3,000 miles. It is my favorite bike so far. I absolutely love this bike. I came back from the test ride and I just went, I'll take it. It's just a different feeling. It's just the engine between your legs just feels different. It's 675 cc displacement. It feels like as fast as my last liter bike. This thing is just hauls. How about this? Let me just show you. You want to see it yourself? I certainly want to show you because that means I get to ride it. And so let's go ahead and do it. Let's take you on an adventure. Here we go. That was not even throttling it. I mean, okay, obviously I was using the throttle, but that was not even like full throttle, just because this road's a little sketchy and I didn't want to push it too hard. But my goodness, this thing's got so much giddy up to it. This bike is honestly phenomenal as far as the condition, mechanically, you know, cosmetically, it's perfect. You know, I don't know if I'll get a bike, a 2014 motorcycle in a better condition, to be honest. The guy I got it from, real good guy. He shortly after he bought it and had to have shoulder surgery, and so he just wasn't able to ride it, you know, as much as he thought he was going to be able to. And you know, I wish him the best. Totally get that. But yeah, we're gonna find it a new home. We're gonna find a new home. We're gonna find an owner who's gonna care for it just as good as he did, and you know, hopefully get it in the right hands. Yeah, so this bike is awesome, and I haven't even gone into the upgrades on this bike yet. And I'm only gonna get into the high level ones, the major ones, because there are so many, but these are the biggest ones that are on this bike. It's got the single headlight conversion kit. If you've seen the stock versions of these, they had those bug eye looking headlights on them. This one's been upgraded to the single headlight. It's got the Competition Works exhaust system, ASV brake and clutch levers, a lower cowl on it. It's got Triumph engine guards. It's got a Triumph high comfort seat, a Sato Racing passenger peg hooks, a rear fender eliminator kit. This thing is loaded. There's more than $2,500 in upgrades on this bike. Most dealers list it between $7,000 and $8,000, give or take, depending on mileage. This thing has less than 3,000 miles, $2,500 and more in upgrades, and we're gonna be listing at $71.99. Plus, as you probably know by now, no ridiculous fees. Nothing for documentation, no admin, no setup, just that price plus taxes, title, license. Thanks for your time. Thanks for checking out the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, subscribe, slap that like button. Visit us on the web at twowheelsdown.com. Two Wheels Down. It's a rider thing.